Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete Wispr Flow. If you want to remove Wispr Flow from your laptop or desktop, this process is simple and should only take a few moments. We'll be using the Windows control panel to locate the program and uninstall it properly. To begin, go to your Windows computer and open the control panel. An easy way to do this is by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard and typing Control Panel into the search bar. Once it appears in the search results, click to open it. If you do not see it right away, just make sure the spelling is correct and give it a second to load. After the control panel opens, look for the option labeled Uninstall a Program. This is usually found under the Programs section. Click on it to open the full list of software currently installed on your computer. Depending on how many apps you have, this page may take a moment to fully populate, so wait until the list finishes loading before moving on. Next, scroll through the list and look for Wispr Flow. The programs may be displayed alphabetically, so checking under the letter W can help you find it faster. Once you locate Wispr Flow, right-click on the program name. This should open a small menu with available actions. From that menu, click Uninstall. In some cases, Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to allow changes to your device. If that happens, simply approve the prompt so the uninstall process can continue. You may also see an uninstaller window from the app itself. If so, follow the on-screen prompts until the removal is complete. Once the uninstall finishes, Wispr Flow should be removed from your computer. If the program still appears in the list for a moment, you can refresh the window or close and reopen the control panel to confirm it has been deleted. It can also be helpful to restart your computer afterward, especially if Windows recommends it, since this helps complete any background cleanup related to the uninstallation. And that's it. You've successfully removed Wispr Flow from your Windows device. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide made the process clear and easy to complete.